Domine, Kyrie, Mary Chicken knows
Come
the
along.
way. What a day to be saved. You got blessed when Mary waved.
Hi there.
Do not fear if you're LGBTQ plus or straight.
Hey.
You are loved, she would say, on this Mary Chicken Day. Sometimes it's nice to sit down on a couch that you just bought and just relax. You know, the world can be really crazy. It can go by real fast and it can stress you out. But if nobody's given you permission, then I would like to give you permission to sit down for a minute and just enjoy a moment of peace. That was peace that I blew over there towards you. And you wouldn't know if you were running around, so you need to sit down for a minute and catch that peace. Let it absorb. Peace. And then go about your day and do whatever it was that you were doing. Always take a moment to breathe and to relax, or your body will fall apart. Alright? Okay, hi, bye honey, hi. No, bye. Bye honey.